Hi, my name is Miguel from avoiderrors.com. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to remote desktop Ubuntu 21.10 from Windows 11. For this tutorial, I'll be using XRDP to access Ubuntu. So let's begin. Right-click the Ubuntu desktop and select Open in Terminal. Here, enter the following command: sudo apt install XRDP. Hit enter, then enter the user password and again hit enter. This page will be used. Do you want to continue? Click the Y key on your keyboard and again hit enter. Now, this following command is to enable XRDP every time you restart Ubuntu. So it's sudo systemctl enable now XRDP. Hit enter. And now let's allow port 3389 to allow incoming connection through the firewall of Ubuntu. So enter the following: sudo ufw allow from any to any port 3389 proto TCP. Hit enter. Everything is set up. All we need now is the IP address of our Ubuntu. So type IP-addr show, and here is the IP address. Make a note of that because we're going to need it to access. So everything is already set up. We have the IP address of our Ubuntu PC. Now, all we need to do now is log out. Make sure you log out because it might not work for some unknown reason. So on your Windows 11 PC, search for remote desktop. And here, run it from the results. Okay, enter the computer name is the IP address, and our Ubuntu ends in .74. And optional, you can save your credentials. So show options, and then type the username of the remote Ubuntu user. Allow me to save credentials, connect. Enter the password for the remote user. Okay. Done. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Miguel. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comment section below. Thank you.